Welcome to Eating Disorder Solutions, where your recovery begins in a ranch-like setting in the heart of Weatherford, Texas. We take great pride in creating a nurturing environment that allows you to focus solely on your recovery with our knowledgeable and compassionate team that creates a personalized recovery plan just for you. Our holistic approach aims to restore your physical health, repair your relationship with food, and equip you with lifelong coping skills utilizing various therapy options such as CBT, DBT, exposure therapy, and more. You can effortlessly connect with nature's healing energy by spending a day walking alongside picturesque pastures, practicing yoga in the sun, or finding tranquility in a quiet moment of reflection in our cozy treehouse. With a high staff-to-client ratio and small treatment groups, we ensure you receive personalized care and thrive within a supportive community, complemented by an on-site chef who collaborates with our dietitian to create healthy, nourishing meals for you every day. We offer a continuum of care to support every stage of recovery, including 24/7 residential treatment, partial hospitalization, intensive outpatient programs, and virtual IOP sessions. Our specialized programs address a range of disorders such as anorexia, bulimia, and binge eating, and are designed to be inclusive of everyone, including men, women, and the LGBTQ+ community. With our proven approach and treatment guarantee, we're confident in our ability to help you transform from struggle to strength and achieve lasting recovery. Step into a space where hope is embraced, new perspectives are cultivated, and you can confidently journey toward a brighter, more fulfilling future.
It was life-changing.
This is a place where you don't have to wear a mask, where you don't have to be somebody you don't like.
And I think that's been one of the most rewarding parts of it all, is looking in the mirror and seeing myself again. I don't want to say better, but a better version of myself, honestly, yeah.
The support here has just been absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing.
I've never been with a staff that is like, they care so much. Like, they love to be here. We are not alone in this whatsoever.
I really believe every person who works here wants to be here, comes in smiling, leaves with more energy than they showed up with. The environment really is incredibly supportive.
It's calming and peaceful out here. You don't have the distraction of the city. You don't have the distraction of life. You can do a lot of self-discovery in a quiet place like this.
I don't have enough good words for the staff. I'm trying not to tear up because they are like a huge part of what has made my recovery so special.
This is a safe place. This is a safe place where you can come and learn to love you as you are, the way that you are.
Ultimately, I had to take a step back to take care of myself and prioritize myself. It's okay to do so.
I just feel like I gained so much of my life back that I lost. And it's now allowing me to return to college. It's allowing me to live every single day to the fullest.
I've seen so many different backgrounds and stories and problems and behaviors and everything walk through these doors, and they have helped every single person here.
There are peers to help you, there's staff to help you, there's an amazing outdoor environment to reestablish yourself in connection with nature. Like, there's so many wonderful parts about coming to treatment. Just don't be afraid to reach out and ask for help, because it's the hardest part, but putting up the white flag and admitting that you can't do it on your own is the most important part of seeking recovery.
Just make that first step. Just do it. I promise you it's worth it.
You deserve to be breathing, you deserve to be heard, and you deserve to just live. And everybody deserves to know who they are far beneath their struggles.